Hey guys, Steven here, and today we're going to be playing some Tron on SquadCraft. Yeah, so now I'm just waiting to get into a game. Okay. Oh, what's that? No? Okay. Maybe we'll be in the next one, because I've been waiting here. Yeah, okay. Let's get started. Oh, crap. No! But it's okay, because we can do a lot of these games, because they just keep on going. See? Yep. Oh, there's a block over here. I could just stand on this? Glitch? Glitch much? That's cool. But I'm gonna go. Cheating is not the way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Did I win? Yeah, I won! Because I won. I just fell off right after him. So that's good. I won. My second game. This time I'm not gonna cheat. My friend told me about that block. Oh, there's a person that fell off. And another person. Whoa! Whoa, it's just lagging me there. Oh. Oh. I think if you hold it in your hand, then you don't go into a game maybe. Okay, that person fell. I just have to keep on going. I think that guy fell. Pretty sure he did. Or he just went somewhere. I'm not gonna try to sprint because then that's just less, well, you know, my time is gonna be up or something. Like it goes quicker, the blocks run out quicker. Like all you have to do right now is just keep on stepping on these pads. Oh, and I won. Again. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think if you hold it, the red block in your hand, then you don't run into a game. There's that block again. Oh. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Alright. Oh. Alright. That was intense. Another block. Uh-oh. Oh, this guy's cutting me off. Oh, no! Too bad. Let's go again. Oh, these guys are flying. Am I in this game by myself? What the? This is freaky. I think I'm by myself. Cause they're there. And nobody else is ruining this thing like if it was a flying glitch. Uh-oh. Oh, no! Wait. So, yeah, how are they on the glass? That doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's get, okay, let's get 3 more games. cut that guy off. Oh, I got a little opening here. No, 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 no. Should we do 3? 2 more games or 2 more wins? I think 2 more wins. Yeah, 2 more wins. Come on. It was so fun. Gotta cut this guy off. No. No! Whoa, what the? That was weird. Did I just get out of that game and then go into a different... Okay, that was weird. Okay, one more win. And, yeah. Go, 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 go. That guy's suffocating. Oh. Oh, no! I like when you fall down and then you can see, like, if it's like a drawing. That looks cool. Yeah, this is really fast, like, to get into a game. That's what I love about this. Oh, what? No! Can I get in? No. Oh. Am I in? Yes, I'm in. Alright. Let's not die right away. Oh, wait, did I just try myself in here? I did. Wait, let's see if I can make it. Oh! Oh, what? I was on it! They just locked me back. Rubber band, rubber band. That's poop. That is poop. Poop, poop. Sorry for your background noise. Alright, we just have to keep getting on this block. Yeah, okay. That was good. Hope you guys enjoyed that game of Tron old games. If you did, please do smack that like button and subscribe, because, you know, it's free and everything's free. Everything that's free is awesome. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon.